Good morning. So today we will see the topic bioterms from your general knowledge book. So let's see. Here are some terms related to biology. Match the description to the correct terms and learn more about them. Okay. So here are some biological terms. We have to match them with their pair. So let's see. They are unicellular plant without chlorophyll. These plants do not contain chlorophyll. They reproduce by binary fission and probably related to the fungi. And this plant is known as bacteria. The second one is it is a green pigment in green plant which absorb sunlight and build up sugar, and this is chlorophyll. Here it is written. The third one is hard covering of exposed part of tooth, uh, and that is enamel. uh, Here it is written. The fourth one is plant with naked seed, that is seed not enclosed in fruits. Here the seed is not surrounded, or you can say enclosed by the fruit, and this is known as uh, chymo sperm. uh, the fifth one is rich soil made of decayed plant leaves, etc., that is humus. The sixth one is an organism which derives its nourishment from another living organism. Uh, Here they cannot nourish themselves. Uh, they are taking help of some other living organism, and that is the parasite. The seventh one is process of heating milk for 30 minutes at 62 degrees Celsius and cooling rapidly to kill harmful bacteria, and that is known as pasteurization. The uh, eighth one is the process of transference of pollen to stigma of flower. इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? तो that is known as pollination. The ninth one is in it is the living matter of which organisms are formed, and that is protoplasm. The last one is a small swelling on the root of leguminous plants, and that is known as root noodles. Okay, so here are some biological terms about plants and living organism. Now let's see here. The R sign used today on फार्मर टेक, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है ना कि जो दवा वगैरह बनते हैं ना, तो उसके टैबलेट में यू कैन सी द साइन आर वाज रिटन. एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल साइन फॉर प्लांट जुपिटर. ओके, in the middle age jupiter was thought to be the most powerful to curing disease. किसी भी डिजीज को ख़त्म करने के लिए जो था ये प्लान जुपिटर बहुत मैटर करता था एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल के अकॉर्डिंग. तो इसलिए दवा के टैबलेट में भी ऐसा यू कैन सी. टेक्नोलॉजीज अराउंड. अब हमारे अगल बगल क्या टेक्नोलॉजीज है? लेट्स अस डिस्कस इमर्जिंग फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी विच आर gaining ground in the field of science. Okay, any technological application that uses biological system, living organism, or derivatives thereof to make or modify, produce, or process for a specific use, and that is biotechnology. DAS is a cellular network, which means that mobile phone connect to it by searching for cell in the immediate vicinity, and that is global system for mobile communication, GSM. Okay, the third one is DAS is the sending and receiving of moving images and sound by discrete signals in contrast to the analog signals used by analog TV, and that is known as digital television. The fourth one is it is a pocket size card with embedded integrated circuit which can process data, and that is a smart card. The fifth one is DAS refer to the field of applied science whose themes is the control of matter on an on an atomic and molecular scale, and that is monotechnology, or you can say nanotechnology. The sixth one is we are very much, you can say, familiar with this word. DAS is the trade name for popular wireless technology used in home mobile phone, video games and other electronic devices, and that is Wi-Fi. Everyone know that. The seventh one is a DAS is an electro-optical amplitude modulator, realized as a thin flat display device made up of any number of color or monochromes pixels arrayed in front of a light source of or reflector, and that is liquid crystal display. The last one is DAS is a term used to refer to satellite television broadcast intended for home reception, also referred to as direct to home signal, and that is direct broadcast satellite. Now, uh, this is the last topic for today, everyday science. Here are some explanation to simple science phenomena, but the key word in each of them is missing. Okay, the main keyword is missing here. Can you guess the correct word? An apple thrown up comes to the ground because of the ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. आपने वो सुना होगा ना न्यूटन के बारे में. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कौन लेकर आया था? न्यूटन लेकर आए थे. कैसे लेकर आए थे? तो वो एक दिन किसी एप्पल के पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे, एक एप्पल गिरा, तो उन्होंने, हमारे जैसा इंसान रहता तो हम क्या करते, एप्पल उठाते और खाने लगते. उन्होंने क्या दिमाग लगाया कि ये एप्पल जो गिरा ये नीचे ही क्यों गिरा, ये ऊपर क्यों नहीं गिरा. तब बहुत खोजबीन उनको करने के बाद पता चला कि ये ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का अर्थ जो है, अर्थ अपनी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से किसी चीज़ को अपनी तरफ खींचती है. ठीक है, तो हेयर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. Flash of lightning is seen before the sound of thunder because light travels faster. Iron pieces rust if left exposed in the open because it reacts with oxygen. The fourth one is we experience difficulty in breathing on mountain because of the pressure of air um, outside is less as compared to the pressure of air inside the lungs. A swimming pool appears less deep than it really is because of refraction. The nails are not connected either with the blood vessel or cartilage. Therefore, on cutting the nail, the nervous system is not affected. आप लोग अपने हाथ के यहाँ के नस को काटो, काटना मत, मतलब जब देखोगे तो यहाँ जैसे ही जाएगा आपके ब्रेन का ना, ब्रेन में ये चीज़ आएगा कि नहीं ये गलत है. ठीक है, लेकिन वही चीज़ जब आप अपने नेल्स को काटते हो तो ये चीज़ आपको क्यों नहीं होता है, क्यों दर्द नहीं होता है, क्यों ब्रेन जो नर्वस सिस्टम में कुछ बोलता है क्यों नहीं है. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो नेल्स है वो किससे कनेक्टेड नहीं है, ब्लड वेसल्स और कार्टिलेज जो है उससे कनेक्टेड नहीं है. वुलन ब्लैंकेट इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, therefore ice wrapped in the blanket does not melt away quickly. जब आप किसी वुलन ब्लैंकेट में आप आइस को रब करोगे ना तो वो बहुत जल्दी नहीं पिघलता. वही आप आइस को कोई कॉटन से कपड़े में रखो तो वो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी पिघलता है. If passengers are not allowed to stand in the boat, then center of gravity. If passengers are allowed to stand in a boat, then center of gravity of the boat will rise and it may topple. The ninth one is a small space is left between each set of two rails of a railway line to allow for um, expansion and contraction. Okay. क्या होता है expansion in summer और contraction in winter. Okay. The last one is in a saucer evaporation takes place more rapidly than a cup, therefore tea cools faster in a saucer than in a cup. So this is enough for today. We will see next topic in next video. Till then, thank you.